Good evening, ma'am. I'm Luz Biminda Oystar. I'm 28 years old. I'm a single parent. I have one daughter. I worked before as a housemaid. I know how to clean the house. I know how to take care of the children. Maybe we have a different food, but I really wanted to know how to cook your food, and I'll be the honest of your I'll be the honest. I'll do all the things that we do can we do to your house. And if you hire me, I'm going to finish the 2 years contract. Thank you, ma'am.